In the world of modern infrastructure development, civil engineering projects are under constant pressure to deliver faster, smarter, and with greater precision. Timelines are shrinking, design requirements are becoming more sophisticated, and clients expect solutions that are both technically sound and visually clear. This is where nearshore civil engineering outsourcing has gained traction as a strategic method for improving project efficiency without sacrificing quality. Nearshore outsourcing means collaborating with engineering teams located in nearby countries or regions, typically sharing similar time zones and cultural understanding. Unlike offshore outsourcing, where time differences can cause communication delays, nearshore teams operate on overlapping schedules. This allows real-time conversations, quicker feedback cycles, and faster integration of changes into project workflows. This time zone alignment is particularly important in civil engineering. Projects often involve multiple disciplines: structural, geotechnical, transportation, and environmental, all of which must coordinate seamlessly. A single delay in one discipline can cascade into missed deadlines across the entire project. With nearshore partners, questions can be answered within hours instead of days. Design conflicts can be resolved during the same working session, and urgent regulatory updates can be incorporated without long waiting periods. Cost efficiency is another major advantage. Building and maintaining a large in-house engineering team can be expensive, especially when projects require specialized skills that are not needed year-round. Nearshore outsourcing offers access to top-tier engineering expertise at a competitive rate, while eliminating the need for long-term overhead costs. This flexibility allows companies to invest more in innovation, advanced design tools, and quality assurance measures. AXA Engineers has demonstrated how this approach can transform project execution. By strategically positioning its engineering teams in time zones that align closely with clients, AXA Engineers ensures that every project phase from conceptual design and 3D modeling to final documentation is handled with speed, accuracy, and attention to detail. This operational structure minimizes bottlenecks, enhances collaboration, and keeps projects moving forward without costly interruptions. Quality control also improves under a nearshore model. Frequent communication means that design adjustments, client requests, and compliance updates are processed quickly, reducing the risk of errors and rework. In civil engineering, where safety and compliance are non-negotiable, this responsiveness directly contributes to delivering infrastructure that meets the highest standards. Furthermore, the cultural and linguistic similarities often found in nearshore partnerships make collaboration smoother. Misunderstandings are reduced, client requirements are interpreted more accurately, and project outcomes benefit from stronger working relationships. Ultimately, improving project efficiency in civil engineering is not only about working faster, it's about working smarter. Nearshore outsourcing offers the balance between cost savings, communication speed, and technical expertise. When paired with a proven partner like AXA Engineers, this approach can help companies meet demanding deadlines, reduce project risks, and deliver exceptional results. For organizations seeking to streamline operations and achieve more with fewer obstacles, nearshore civil engineering outsourcing stands as a powerful, future-ready solution.